Hey, what's up, guys? Zach Calhoun here. Wanted to real quick get on the mic and share a couple announcements that are really important. I hope you're out there staying safe, staying clean, staying germ free, and prepping your business and hopefully growing and still making some money, if not getting ready to make a bunch as the world is wild out there. So we have an announcement, something new, a new program. And I wanted to just quickly share a cool. To share the announcement and basically it's just an opportunity for you to make more money as an entrepreneur. This is our new affiliate program, which is a big deal. This is actually has nothing to do with this random on right now, but everything to do with this page right here. It's called the Affiliate Success Page. You can, and so I have some instructions here, some rules we go through, what it is, what it's not, but you can get paid, $2,500, $200 to get but to be an affiliate on CloudPano. It's a great way to make passive revenue. It's a great way to get a little bit of monetary or dinero love coming your way just for sharing the name of CloudPano. And we take our affiliates very serious. We promote them. We pay them well. I think we pay very well, probably the best out there in the industry. And really, it's just built on the fact that we love our software. We love CloudPano. We're thinking long term. We think, hey, let's throw some money around to some guys who refer us. Please do it in a kind of way. Don't do it in a spammy way. There is rules. Read the rules of the affiliate page. Shoot us a review. But really, honestly, the easiest way to get this done, to make this into something that people pay you over and over again for, is to first, number one, use your affiliate link. You must create one. We have to approve you, send you over the sign up and you get to add your PayPal account. It's a little bit complicated, but once your link is created, actually it's pretty easy, actually, to be honest. Once you have your link, you can share that out. But the best way to make money doing this as an affiliate is to just share your link at the bottom of a YouTube video where you're reviewing the platform, talking about what you love about it, what you don't like about it, being honest, and just sharing CloudPano, posting those kind of videos. I'm using a software app, a free app called Loom, Loom, and I'm recording my screen. Now I'm clicking through a demo. You can do something just like this: show what it does, show an example, bringing value in advance. Whenever you bring value in advance, whenever you bring value to someone, it creates a bond. And when you create a bond with someone, they're more likely to give you some love and use your link, right? So in a very real way, you can make a couple affiliates are doing really, really well, thousands of dollars we're paying them, and they're not doing anything physical. There's no actual activity. They've created one asset, one review, either a blog post or a video, and people look at it, read it, or look at it and watch it and say, yeah, this is pretty cool. I'll give it a go. They sign up, and then we pay them 30 days later. So you can do this too. All you need is a PayPal account, and you have to apply. So we have to approve you, but it's just another way of we're helping you guys out as entrepreneurs. It's a weird season right now. As I'm recording this video, everyone's, coronavirus is everywhere, but it will die down. It's going to be fine. And what's interesting is we're seeing a huge amount of activity on the platform. A lot of subscribers, a lot of folks coming on to use 3D Tours. This could be the staple of the future. This might be that every single business owner in the world may want one of these. So just by watching this video right now, you're ahead of the curve. You're on the right side of the curve, hopefully the right side of history. And you can profit by just throwing a few links around and helping out some friends. So only refer us if you are obviously a Pro Plus member and you love the platform. And of course, we're happy to have you as an affiliate. Let us know if you have questions. You can email support@cloudpano.com. Otherwise, just go to our affiliate success page and a link below this video. Click one of these application buttons, sign up, and happy hunting. I'm excited for you. All right, see you later.